Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTOO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty big pullback on TTOO today after a very, very impressive movement on Tuesday. So certainly some updates here need to be made. First update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into today, for those of you that watched the video previously, it was all about that 255 mark. But because the price did ultimately gap down below that level, at that point, just according to the rule, that would be an area that you would expect to act as resistance. I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook because, I mean, just classic, big bounce. So you got to give credit where credit's due. But look right where that big old bounce ended, right at that level at 255 before we're being rejected back downwards. So I'm not saying that 255 can never be broken. I'm just saying that's, very clearly that going to be that key level of resistance, and that moving forward, the main question mark really resides at that level right here. So in other words, if the price consolidates out and then start to head back upwards, big question is not necessarily can the price get back up to 255, but more so can the price break above it and stay up above it. So you're definitely going to want to watch 255 if there is any sort of upwards movement in, over the next few days here. So watch that closely. As far as levels of support are concerned, first key level of support to watch closely, going to be down here at, let's see, what is that? The $2.10 mark. And then if the price pulls back even more, the next key level would be that former breakout point, which sits down there at the $2 mark. So $2.10 and then $2 next key levels of support. Now, preferably speaking, if the price could stay up above that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average, that would be a very, very nice sign of power. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price does be able to stay above those green lines, then overall the big picture trend is still plenty in the bulls' favor. But we'll see what happens with it moving forward. Still a couple days left this week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.